Today we're going to be talking about los colores. So that's the first thing you put on the cuaderno. Los colores. Los colores. And probably I should use each of my colores as I'm writing it, right? That would like help you. So first we have rojo. All right, rojo is red. Probably shouldn't even write that up there. Just rojo is rojo, right? Okay, I don't have anaranjado. That would be our next one. So how about all the ones that I don't have, I'll write with negro so that you don't get too confused. Okay, so the next one, anaranjado. Yeah, it's getting ugly. Anaranjado, orange. Yeah. Okay, and there is a word right in the middle of anaranjado. We studied it when we were doing las comidas. Naranja, okay? The word naranja. It's right in the middle. And naranja means an orange that you eat, okay? And in some countries, they actually use that for the color also. They'll just say naranja instead of anaranjado, which anaranjado, that's a mouthful, right? That is probably going to be your most difficult of all the colores to say, to spell, to remember. So it helps you a lot if you think of naranja, which isn't too difficult. It's like, oh, I put an A on the front and a D-O on the end. Okay. After that, we're going in rainbow order. So what would be next according to our, and I don't have that color either. I need some more colores. What would it be? Yellow, which is amarillo. Amarillo. Yellow. And amarillo, has anyone ever heard of Amarillo, Texas? Yeah. Same word, except obviously Amarillo is not pronounced how it should be. It's horribly butchered. So, Amarillo, Texas is amarillo. After amarillo, oh, I've got this color. Verde. Muy bien. Verde. All right. In fact, maybe I won't write the actual, the English next to the ones that I have. Verde. Green. And I also have the next one. Azul. Azul. And I have another type of azul, okay? So while we're doing azul, I'm going to go ahead and describe something that they use in Spanish to say light or dark, because this is azul claro. Azul claro would be light blue, okay? Azul claro. Light blue. And I actually happen to have verde claro also. So let's go ahead and put that one in too. I'll just do this. Verde claro. Light green. Okay. So next, after azul on the chart would be purpura. Purpura, it sounds just like kind of what it is, which would be what? Purple, okay? Purpura. Purpura. And there's another way to say it though. Let you get that one down. Purpura. Another way to say it is actually really similar to a word in Spanish or in English, violeta. Let me show it to you. Violeta. What's that look like? Violet. Okay? Violet is purple. Violeta is purple. So that one's also easy. So both of those I feel like are pretty easy, but you have to remember in purpura, it's got an accent, so it's a little more dramatic. So purpura y violeta. Now, we also have purpuro oscuro. Dark purple. Muy bien. Okay? So this one would be purpura oscura, dark purple. So whenever you have oscuro or oscura after a word, it's just the same as claro or clara after a word. It's talking about either being a light or a dark thing. So purpura oscura is going to be dark purple. All right, so we'll put our purpuras away. Hasta luego. Adios. All right, and we're going back to negro because we're done with all of our colores that are in el arco iris, which is a rainbow. Okay, arco is an arch. Does that make sense? Okay, and so we go on to like just the regular blah non-colors, which blanco is just blank, which means white. Okay, so I know I'm writing it in negro, but blanco means white. Okay, and then negro, what color is negro? Black. Okay, negro, black. Gray is gris. You can spell it E-Y or A-Y, either way. Gris. And then what's another one that actually it is a color, it's kind of a mezcla de colores. What is it?
Brown.
Brown. And brown you can say a few ways. One way you can say it is marron. Marron. And the other way, and this is common more in I think Mexico, you would say more de color café. And what you're literally saying, well, you tell me, what do you think color café would mean? The color of coffee, okay? So you'd say de color café, okay? Both of those just mean brown. Marron or de color café. All right, any colores that I'm missing?
Pink.
That's right, okay. And I have rosa. You're like, I got it right here. Why isn't she using it? Okay, so let's put it on our fun side. Okay, so this one is just either rosa, that's one way to say it, or rosada, or rosado. Either way. Rosa or rosado or rosada.
Sounds like red. Like it'd be red or something like that.
You think so? I think it sounds pink. Rosa, like it's the color of a rose.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. It's the color of rosas. Rosa or rosada. Okay, so the next thing, any other colores?
Yeah.
We won't get into like teal or aquamarine or magenta. You know what I mean? We're just gonna go with the basics.
Yeah.
So, let's see. ¿Qué color quieren? What color do you guys want me to use? ¿Qué color? En español. Verde? Azul claro? Okay, we'll use azul claro for our ejemplos, our examples. What we're going to talk about today is kind of what we did in our warm-up exercise, activity exercise. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to use your colores as adjetivos, all right? So whenever they're adjetivos, adjectives in Spanish always go after, adjectives after whatever they're describing. So, like in our exercise, we had, one of the things that was being described was una silla, right? So whenever you say, you want to say la silla, what color do you want to make the silla? Roja. Okay. And I love how you changed it for us already. You never say, so write this down, you're never going to say la silla rojo. Why not? Tomas?
Because you're using it in a sentence.
Okay, because it's describing silla,
It has an A.
which has an A,
So
okay?
it's feminine.
La silla roja. It all has to agree, okay? La silla roja. That's one of the reasons Spanish sounds so beautiful. It's because it all comes together, it flows. Because all of the words kind of like, they combine together, they match. Okay, la silla roja. Now what happens if you make it plural? You have to do something. What are you gonna do? Add an S. Where do you add an S? Okay, so right here. Okay, where else? Where else? Muy bien. Las sillas rojas. So it all is beautiful together. Las sillas rojas. All right, so you want it all to match. It all has to sound the same. Okay, so what do we do? Let's pick another object. Una casa? Or let's do a masculine thing. Yeah, we had some good ones on our paper. Let me use these examples. Okay, el papel. That's an easy one. So el papel, and let's say el papel blanco, right? Okay. Do we need to change anything? It's already masculine, so you don't have to change it. Okay. Now let's make it plural. What do we do to el to make it plural? We change it to los. Okay, we haven't talked about this much. You change el to los, and then papel, you have to say papeles. Anytime it ends in a consonant, you add es. When it ends in a vowel, all you have to do is add s. But when it ends in a consonant, you add es. So los papeles, and then what do you think you have to do to blanco?
Just add an S.
Just add an s. Los papeles blancos. So now everything agrees, everything flows together. Los papeles blancos. Okay, uno más. Let's use, una casa de color café. Una casa de color café. First of all, what did I just say? A brown house, okay? A brown house. First of all, do I need to do anything? This one's tricky.
Yeah. No.
Nope. That's exactly how it stays. Okay? Marron, color café, gris. Let's see, are there any others? Azul. You do not have to change, well, in verde, you do not have to change the O to an A because there is no O. There's an E or there's a consonant, okay? When that happens, you just keep it the same, okay? So, una casa de color café. Does that make sense? All right, any preguntas? You got it?